Imagine you're standing before a bare, lifeless wall in your outdoor space. Maybe it's just a blank canvas now, but what if this space could become a refuge? A serene paradise that reflects the calm and beauty you desperately crave right now. Sometimes, when life feels overwhelming and heavy, surrounding yourself with peaceful, soul-soothing spaces can bring a much-needed sense of relief. Imagine transforming that wall into something truly special, a comforting escape that feels like it wraps you in warmth and tranquility, even on the hardest days. Picture an outdoor wall adorned with minimalist floral vines, their delicate white and pastel blooms softening the space with a serene glow. The soft lighting casts gentle shadows, creating a calm atmosphere, almost like a warm embrace. In a world that feels chaotic, it's in this little corner that you could breathe a little easier, surrounded by simplicity and beauty that ask nothing of you but to relax. If rustic charm resonates with you, imagine a wooden wall decorated with colorful ceramic art, surrounded by lush greenery. Each ceramic piece tells a story of life's vibrant possibilities. While the greenery around offers a sense of calm, this isn't just decoration. It's a reminder of resilience, how even in difficult times, there's room to grow and bloom in ways that add color and joy to your life. For those who prefer modern elegance, envision a wall with clean geometric metal art, surrounded by pebbles and ferns. It's a minimalist design, but there's something soothing about its simplicity. Sometimes we get caught up in complications, yet this space offers clarity and calm, helping us rediscover the beauty of clean lines and open spaces, both in design and in life. Imagine the elegance of a white wall adorned with hanging terracotta pots filled with lush greenery. This tranquil garden atmosphere serves as a gentle reminder that even in times of despair, life continues to flourish. Each pot holds life, a symbol of perseverance. As the leaves sway in the breeze, they seem to whisper a message of hope, that growth, no matter how slow, is still growth. A stone wall covered in vertical garden planters with earthy tones, framed by bamboo accents, offers a sense of grounding. The quiet, serene atmosphere feels almost meditative, a place where you can reconnect with yourself. In moments of anxiety when your mind races, such a setting can offer the grounding energy of nature, reminding you that even in turmoil, there's peace to be found. For something whimsical, consider a brick wall decorated with pastel murals of birds and flowers. The bright colors and cheerful designs add life to the space, encouraging you to see joy in the little things. As the murals dance with light, you're reminded that life, like art, doesn't always have to make sense. Sometimes it's okay just to embrace its beauty and color, flaws and all. A concrete wall draped with rustic lanterns and ivy has its own charm. The warm, cozy lighting exudes comfort, wrapping you in a gentle glow that feels like home. This simple setup shows that even when life feels bleak, little touches of warmth, a light in the dark, can make all the difference, creating a space where you feel safe and at peace.